Behind every business are countless administrative tasks like preparing reports, managing emails, and scheduling meetings. These tasks, they may seem small individually, but put together, they consume a lot of time that could be spent doing something else. This is where AI-powered productivity tools come in. So the first tool on our list today is Reclaim AI. It's from Dropbox. After signing in, this is where you will land. This is the homepage, the planner. This is their website, app.reclaim.ai. So what Reclaim AI does is basically it balances meetings, habits, and tasks automatically in Google Calendar and in Outlook. This is Google Calendar. So it will automatically define flexible time for you to focus, collaborate, and protect your work-life balance. One of its advantages is that it works through a web browser. They do not have an app for it. This means that you can access it from any device, be it a phone, be it a tablet, all that. And then it does not only insist on work email, you can also use your personal email to plan your work-related tasks. But do not confuse it for an app planner. So it basically tracks the time you spend on your habits. I want us to look at it. So once you're here, this is today is on 2nd. This is why it has been mapped out. This is the activity. These are the activities that I was supposed to do today. So the crossed ones have been crossed because it's already past that time. When you want to add a new task, you simply click on new task right here, and then you give it a name, you give it the duration, and you give it the minimum duration, the maximum duration. Of course, you select between personal hours and working hours. This is working hours. And then the due date, and then you create. So for example, let's schedule a meeting. Let's call it all hands meeting. The meeting has been scheduled for tomorrow. Then you can view it in planner here. Alternatively, you can simply go to the day that you want to make the plan, and you simply click on it. And be, let's say, on Thursday at around 4 p.m. So you simply go to Thursday, and then you scroll down, because on this left side is where the time has been written, up to 4 p.m. Here's 4 p.m. on 4th. You click on it, and then you create a task. On the left side of the panel, we have a tab called Priorities. When you click on Priorities, it simply tells you that these are critical things. These ones will get the top priority. These are the critical ones. These ones are the high priority cases, and this is medium priority cases. Right now, we do not have any items on the medium priority cases. So the critical ones is this one, and then this one is the high priority. This one which is in progress, and this one which is tomorrow. And then if you go to stats, this is where you see your stats and your team stats. How you spent your personal time, your work time, all of them, you'll see them here. It will break it down for you. These are the hours that have been spent between breaks, between one meeting and another, between traveling to work or maybe home or meetings. Yes, so basically it gives you that breakdown, as you can see here. These are your personal stats. You can as well see your team stats here. If at all you have a team, this is where you invite your teammates. So under habits, you have an option of sharing your habits, habits that maybe inspire healthy and productive routines. Like maybe if you always need a few minutes to do yoga, or if you want to walk in the middle of the day to catch up on your steps. And then you can also add lunch is every day, of course, so you can put it under habits, like right here, every day, Monday to Friday for 30 minutes. Okay. Under tasks is where you see everything that is happening on that day, or that has happened, everything that has been scheduled on that day. Like currently we have a team training underway. We're 45 minutes in, it's in progress. And then this one is the one that I've set up with you right now for tomorrow for 2 hours. So under focus is where you will see all the stats that are within your working hours. And you're being told that you can change the hours in your focus time settings, which is here. So our focus, I chose to spend 14 hours on managerial work, 14 hours every week. So that is on track. Okay, basically it breaks down for you how you spent your hours in that particular week. Like now this is this week so far. If you click last week, you'll be able to see for last week, and next week we are not sure what will happen. Then under meetings, we have smart meetings and scheduling links. Under smart meetings, right here, this one only makes sense if you're working as a team. It will automatically find the best time for your recurring meetings across everybody's schedule, so that you don't have to waste time coordinating the scheduling conflicts with your team. Then calendar sync. Under sync, you can sync work, personal personal life, and maybe family time. That way you'll never double book, or no one will double book you. So you can decide to sync to your calendar, so that if, let's say, you have a meeting like the one we have tomorrow, if someone tries to book me during those meeting hours, they will not be able to get me because I will not be available, whether it's personal or work related. So you simply go here and you press on start syncing your calendars, and you're good to go. So Reclaim is under scheduling and calendar management, and under this specific category you can check out clockwise, and you can also check out motion. The next tool that I want us to look at is called TinyWow. TinyWow is by Jenny AI. So it's a free productivity platform that offers a vast collection, like you can see, of online tools like PDF. We look at them like PDF tools and other tools. They are all accessible and they get deleted instantly for privacy. Once you sign up and log in, this is where you will land. You simply go to tinywow.com, and this will be your landing page after signing in right here. So they do PDF tools, all these, you can edit, you can do PDF to Word. All PDF tools are under PDF. Then image tools, you can restore photos, you can generate photos using AI, you can blur backgrounds, like you can see here. It has so many tools. And write tools, we have paragraph writer, essay writer, all these AI tools, blog post ideas, etc. Under video, the tools that are here include these. You can do MP4 to MP3, and then you can download Facebook videos, you can do MKV to MP4, basically all video tools. Then under files, you can split CSV files, you can do Excel to XML, all these, they're available here. So the most popular tools as you scroll down are these: background remover, paragraph writer. When you click here, you'll see more tools. And then they also brag about the tools that you'd usually pay for and are free right here. So basically this is how it looks like, and it's great for small businesses, freelancers, and educators. I want us to try something under these writing tools, and LinkedIn post generator. So under LinkedIn post generator, this is what we have. You have to write the topic, and then step 2, and then step 3. So my prompt is: write a post for returntracks.co.ke, a transport company that does fresh deliveries, household moves, and consolidated shipping. Also, because it's a free version, you only have up to an allowance of up to 150 words. We're within that bracket. Click on continue. The AI model that it's using is GPT-4 Mini. So if you upgrade these, you'll be able to use more advanced models. You have an option of choosing to humanize the AI text or not. So we'll go straight to generate post. So my result is ready. This is the output. Okay, I forgot to prompt it not to use a lot of emojis, but it's a good one. So I can decide to keep rewriting. I can regenerate a new post. I also have an option here to make it in italics, bold, and give it all these 3 headers as I wish. Yes. So if you're satisfied with what you see, you simply proceed to download it, or you copy it and paste it on LinkedIn. In this case, it's LinkedIn. You can consider using the rest of the tools depending with your need from here. You can solve your PDF problems, you can solve your image problems here, your video problems, like that, like that, like that. So as you can see, it offers versatile digital tools that do not need software installs and costs. The last tool that I want to talk about is Notion AI. So this tool does many things, including campaign management, social media planning. You can use it to track your goals. You can do project management here, and even event management. So you simply go to notion.so and sign up, and then this will be your home page. They've got a welcome notice here and some guidelines. And when you click home, you'll see the recent pages, the upcoming events, and more. And then when you go to Notion AI, this is the AI assistant that has been embedded here. You can ask, research, and create with AI under Notion AI. And then when you go to inbox, this is where you will receive your recent updates and notifications about anything. Then these are the team spaces that I created. This is my workspace. These are the spaces that I created for return tracks, campaign management, content calendar, and social media planning, social media planner. And then this is the marketplace. Under here, you'll find the best templates and set up templates. Let's just say templates. Trash is where you can find the deleted pages. Then here, this question mark, you'll find guides, tutorials, or even get more digital space configured exactly to your needs under here. You can see it has been written help and contact and more. And then this is the Notion mail, the self-organizing inbox with everything that you love about Notion. So if you want to write a new page, if you want to add a new page, you can simply type anywhere here, / I already typed / and then write page. This is our new page. Under our new page, you can find the templates here. We can find the form here, the database. If you want to meet, you get started here, and if you want to ask AI, you simply get started here. So we will go with the templates. This is like a library. It's a marketplace for work, life, school, and all that. It has an ocean of things that you can do. Let's proceed with the Notion AI bit. So here you can decide to summarize your projects. You can decide to create a task tracker. You can draft a project plan. You can even plan a trip. So I'm asking it to help me plan a trip for my team at Return Tracks to go visit our drivers in the field. So this is it. Driver field visit trip plan. It has given us a trip plan for visiting our drivers. It is tailored for Return Tracks. Share the essentials below and I'll fill in everything for you. So it's asking for more information, if at all you want more information. But if you can proceed from here on your own, there is nothing wrong with that. So it's asking for dates, the region, the team, the names of the drivers, the location, the transport vehicle that we will be using, the budget guidance, accommodation preferences, safety and compliance needs, all that. You can proceed and ask it to build the whole thing for us. So as it's summarizing the itinerary, you can see that it works best with teams. So you can invite your team here. And then its notable admin use cases include summarizing long meeting minutes and drafting agendas or reports. You can even use it to onboard workflows and all that, all with use of AI, the one that you're using currently. These are the details I gave it. You can review the plan here where I'm pointing. If you want, of course, you can prompt it further. Here is the output and the outcome of the prompt. Then it's asking you to review it further or prompt it further right here. You can review everything here. And depending on the outcome that you want, you can prompt it further and further. So basically, this is what it does. Ensure that you stay organized with these tools, and others that you can use include Asana. You can use Asana. This is Scalenut. You can use personal AI. This is personal. Simply go to personal.ai and then you start creating your own personas. So kindly ensure that you stay organized with these tools.